Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. In this video, we have the unboxing of the Megaminx by GANS as well as the MFJS Meilong 10x10 Rubik's Cube. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've got a wristband saying Speed Cuber by the Cube Lelo. So that's really cool and it's quite attractive also. So this is the 10x10 Rubik's Cube by the Meilong MFJS. So the dimension of this is 8.4 centimeters by 8.4 centimeters, and you can also see that the edges are a bit longer when compared to the centers. So that is done so that you have a good grip of the cube. So let's open this up. Yeah, this is a pretty big cube. So this is one of my biggest Rubik's cubes that I have got. The previous one I had was the 6x6 Rubik's cube, but now I have the 10x10 Rubik's cube. So you can see the cube. So let's go ahead and do the first turns. Yeah, the cube is pretty smooth. The turning is really good. So yeah, the turnings are really awesome. Generally in the normal Rubik's cubes, the turning in the center layer would be very difficult, but this one out of the box is really cool. So let's go ahead and do a checkerboard pattern. Since this is a 10x10 cube, you won't be getting the checkerboard pattern on all the faces. Holding this cube is also pretty difficult. You need bigger hands for this. I wish I had bigger hands. And there you go, the checkerboard pattern is almost done. Yeah, and it's done. So it looks pretty amazing. You can also see the logo here, the Mufang Geoshi, that is the MFJS logo. I hope that's visible. Yeah, so yeah, the turnings are really smooth. I really like the turnings in this cube. Generally in the bigger cubes, while turning it generally stuck. So but this one isn't like that. It's really good. I'll be making a video of this also of solving this puzzle. So this is a really amazing puzzle. So yeah, let's go ahead and check the Megaminx. So here we have the Megaminx. So let's open this up. I love the packaging done by GAN. It's really cool and nice. So let's open this up. Yeah, here we have the puzzle. So this is the Megaminx by GANS. Actually till now they were only manufacturing the normal 3x3 cubes, and also they started to manufacture the 4x4 ones, This is the first Megaminx by GANS. So yeah, that is an amazing thing. And looks like we have some components here for our cube. So this is the business card. Yeah, of course, this is my PB renewal. So that was the business card. And in here you have a pamphlet. So this is a set of formulas. Yeah, of course, this is again useful. If you don't know how to solve the Megaminx, you can definitely use these formulas to solve the cube. And of course, yes, you have two sets of GES nets. And since the Megaminx has 12 faces, you require 12 GES nets. But you have got two extra ones, so that will be a spare one. So you have got the yellow, blue and purple GES nets, and you get the Megaminx with the green GES nets installed in it. We have a cube back from the GANS, and now we have our main thing. This thing feels so good with hand. Yeah, the puzzle looks really good, and also the corners are a bit gone inside. That is, it's a bit concaved at the corners, so it's like it helps you in holding the puzzle and also helps you in doing the turns. Yeah, the turning is really smooth. I think a bit of lubricant is required. Other than that, yeah, the turning is really smooth. That's really amazing. And also you can see the magnets in here. So those are the magnets on either sides. The turning is really amazing, and the stability of the cube is really good. While turning one of the moves in Megaminx, generally, if it is a non-magnetic one, the other faces or the other layers have a tendency to keep rotating, but this one is really stable. Yeah, definitely this will be my new main Megaminx. This is a great job by GAN by doing the Megaminx puzzle. I hope we get to see many other shape mods by the GAN. So yeah, this is the corner. Here you can see the magnets, and also you have the honeycomb shape here. So that helps you get the turns a bit smoother. You can also see the magnets in here. So it's like you get to know the internal structure of the puzzle. And also the Megaminx comes with the green GES installed in it. So let's have a look at it. Yeah, so you can see that the green GES is installed. So let me replace the cap and also the corner. So yeah, the puzzle is really smooth, and you have good stability, and definitely this puzzle will improve your PB. And yes, of course, this will be my new main Megaminx in any of the competitions or any of the things. So yeah, that was all about the GANS Megaminx. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing, signing off.